Uzimkhitha ke akanandaba nomsimelelo usemxoshile kasazi ke noma ke uzovumana ukubuyela emuva kufuneka and izinto zizohamba kanjani. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 9th to the 13th of December 2024 on Monday. Lulama is remorseful for the first time after being subjected to images of her past, of her dark past. Zimkhitha is fighting a losing battle but won't throw in the towel on Tuesday. Lulama is haunted by the ghost of the people she had. Zimkhitha kicks Msimelelo out. Vuyokazi arrives just in time before Lulama could take her own life on Wednesday. Msimelo's return home will not be a walk in the park. Lulama and her loved ones realize that a big change will be required for her to beat her addiction on this day. Thulani and Nobomi are done being dictated to about what their consequences chase Msimelo on Friday. Vuyokazi watches in horror as Stocky plans to bring down Mhlumelo, compromising the deal she has with him. Msimelo is reminded of what his family means to him. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.